3 men, 1 island, 1 lighthouse. On December 26, 1900, a relief ship arrived at Eilean Mòr off Scotland. No flag, no one at the landing, no response to the horn or the flare. Relief keeper Joseph Moore climbed 160 steps and found nothing. The lamp was clean, the beds unmade. 3 men had simply ceased to exist. Welcome to Criminal English. Tonight, the Outer Hebrides, Scotland, December 1900. A remote island 20 miles from the nearest coast. 3 experienced lighthouse keepers, a violent storm, a disappearance that has never been explained. No bodies, no witnesses, no answers. This is the Flannan Isles mystery. Eilean Mòr, uninhabited rocks in the North Atlantic, 20 miles west of the Outer Hebrides. The lighthouse had been open for 1 year. 3 men stationed there. James Ducat, principal keeper, 50 years old, 20 years of experience. Thomas Marshall, his assistant. Donald MacArthur, standing in for a colleague on sick leave. Life on Eilean Mòr was isolated. 2 men on the island, 1 on shore leave. They maintained the lamp, logged the weather, kept the station running. No trees, no shelter from the Atlantic wind. Supply ships every 2 weeks. The nearest person was 20 miles away across open sea. Keywords. 1. Lighthouse. A tower with a powerful light that warns ships of dangerous coastlines. 2. Keeper. A person responsible for maintaining a lighthouse. 3. Relief. A replacement arriving to take over a duty for. Log. An official written record of events on a ship or lighthouse. 5. Rogue wave. An unexpectedly large and powerful ocean wave. On December 15th, the steamship Arctur passed the Flannan Isles. The captain noticed the lighthouse was dark. He intended to report it, but his ship ran aground and the message was delayed. The lighthouse board only learned the light was out when its relief vessel Hesperus reached the island on December 26th, 11 days later. Moore landed alone, gate closed, door shut, lamp clean, beds unmade, clock stopped. 1 set of oilskins. Waterproof clothing every keeper wore outside in storms, still on its hook. Someone had gone into the December Atlantic without it. Moore returned to the ship with the news. No one was there. More keywords. 6. Oilskins. Waterproof clothing worn by sailors and keepers in storms. 7. Compound. An enclosed area containing buildings. 8. Superintendent. A senior official responsible for managing a lighthouse station 9. Theory. An explanation based on evidence but not fully proven. 10. Protocol. The official rules for how something must be done. The key evidence was at the west landing. Iron railings bent. A heavy railway track wrenched from concrete. A storage box bolted 33 meters above sea level. Broken open, contents scattered. Whatever hit that cliff was not a normal wave. The official report called it storm damage and built its entire explanation on that. Superintendent Muirhead knew all 3 men personally. His conclusion: Marshall and Ducat went to secure equipment at the west landing. A rogue wave struck. Both swept into the sea. MacArthur went out to find them, without oilskins, and was swept away too. No bodies were ever recovered. Cause of death, probably drowning. The official version is plausible, but leaves questions. Why did all three go outside at once? Rules required one man always at the light. Why was MacArthur outside without waterproofs in December? Why does the log end on the 13th, 2 days before the disappearance? No one has answered these in over 120 years. Later retellings added details never in the official record: an overturned chair, a half-eaten meal, desperate prayers in the logbook. These came from a 1912 poem, not the investigation. A later inquiry confirmed no such entries existed. The real story became legend. Stripped of myth, what remains is still unexplained. December 15th, 1900. 3 experienced men on a remote Scottish island. A violent storm. All 3 gone. No signal, no body, no explanation. The lamp ready to be lit. Oilskins on the hook. The clock stopped. James Ducat, Thomas Marshall, Donald MacArthur, gone between the lighthouse door and the cliff edge. The lighthouse still stands on Eilean Mòr, automated in 1971. No keepers required. The island remains uninhabited. Rogue waves, a fight, mass panic, nothing proven. The official record lists all 3 under cause of death, probably drowning. That word probably has been there for over 120 years. Quiz time. 5 questions. 1. How many keepers disappeared? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. 2. What was the relief ship? A. Archtor. B. Hesperus. C. Eilean Mòr. 3. What was found at the West Landing? A. A body. B. Bent railings and broken box. C. A message. 4. Who left without oilskins? A. Ducat. B. Marshall. C. MacArthur. 5. Where did the overturned chair story come from? A. The official log. B. A 1912 poem. C. A survivor. 3 men. A clean lamp. A stopped clock. Oilskins on a hook. 120 years of theories. No answer. The Flannan Isles mystery endures because it is ordinary. 3 professionals doing their job on a December afternoon, and then nothing. Like and subscribe. Stay curious. Keep learning.